Hi guys, this is German lesson number 3. Today we're going to be looking at animals, or Tiere. As usual, I will read out the English first, followed by the German for each section. The animal, das Tier, the cat, die Katze, the sheep, der Schaf, the cow, die Kuh, the pig, der Schwein, the chicken, der Hahn, the egg, das Ei, the goat, die Ziege, the bull, der Stier, the dog, der Hund. Okay, that was our basic vocab. Now we'll look at a few useful adjectives. Big, groß, small. Klein, fat. Dick, thin. Dünn. Now we'll look at adjective ending table. And here you'll notice a couple of things which we will talk about in the class, and that is that I distinguish between the and a. I will talk about this a little more, but essentially when you have a German the or a, it does something when we use an adjective with a noun. So I have written here for the definite article, which is the, for masculine, der kleine Hund. For feminine, die dicke Katze. For neuter, das große Tier. Now, these adjective endings, as they're called, will change a little bit for the indefinite article, the a. So, masculine, ein kleiner Hund. For feminine, eine dicke Katze. This one stays the same. But for neuter, ein großes Tier. We'll talk about this more in the tutorial. Moving on to sentence practice number 1. Is the animal fat or thin? Ist das Tier dick oder dünn? The animal is, and I've left a space there so we can insert any animal we like. Translated into German, das Tier ist. So for example, the animal is dünn. Das Tier ist dünn. And then I have a question. Is the ... animal big or small? Ist ... das Tier groß oder klein? And then the answer is, the animal is very big or small, fat or thin. Das Tier ist sehr groß oder klein, dick oder dünn. Now we look at sentence practice 2. A slightly different way of saying some of the words. That is a big or small dog. Das ist ein großer oder kleiner Hund. That is a fat or thin cat. Das ist eine dicke oder dünne Katze. That is a big or small egg. Das ist ein großes oder kleines Ei. Here I've broken up the sentences to use either the big or the small, fat or the thin, and I've also selected a word that is masculine, feminine, and neuter so that you see the use of the adjective ending in a sentence. Finally, we look at the idiomatic expression. The first I have selected, the early bird gets the worm. Der frühe Vogel fängt den Wurm. And to emphasize this meaning, I also selected another expression which is an interesting point of discussion for when we translate the sentence. In English, it is literally translated as first there gets to paint first, meaning first in, first served. As in German, wer zuerst kommt, malt zuerst. Okay, that's the end of tutorial 3 for your verbal practice.